So, ever wondered what these gray dotted lines are on your Figma file? These are called slices. This is probably my least favorite tool in Figma. I just hate them. You cannot click on them, so it's very frustrating when you randomly see them. You don't know what they are, and you just cannot click on them no matter what you do. So one way to delete them is you have to click and drag on them and then you can delete them once they're selected. But sometimes what happens is they're kind of weirdly overlapping your design and you try to select them. It also selects a part of your design. Now you can delete them and you try to unselect it and it's just like it doesn't work sometimes, right? Like, so if that happens, then you have to find them in the layers panel and delete them, right? But if you have too many layers on your layers panel, then that could be a problem. And in that case, you will have to do a find and replace. So on a Mac, you can do a command F and you can just type slice and you will find that slice and then you can select and delete them. So these are a few ways to delete them. Now, if you're curious what these are actually meant to select a portion of your design so you can export it without having to find the layer, or maybe your design is a combination of layers. There's a need for that. So how you can get to them is you can press the S or you can go to this drop down area and press slice and you can select this portion and then you can export however you want, right? This is the purpose of it. I personally never really use it and I just absolutely do not like this tool at all. But if you were curious what these actually are, that's what this is, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and thank you for hearing me get frustrated with this tool while I'm making a video. Thank you.